Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is another series about all my benchmark tests. I've got like a lot of more benchmark tests in my older videos if you guys want to check it out. Link will be in the description. I've got 10 versus 10, I've got iOS 12 versus iOS 11, I've got iPad Pro versus iPad, and today what we are going to do is that we are going to do a benchmark test for the new iPhone XS Max and with my old iPhone 10. I know that you all know that the results will be crazy, but how crazy is the difference? Is that what we are testing it out? What are the key features and what did actually upgrade on this new XS Max?
So let the test begin, and we are using antutu benchmark test as our software to run benchmark on it. So in the beginning you'll be seeing that it's running bunch of graphics and everything because it checks CPU performance, the GPU performance, and the memory and UX performance. So as you can see right now that on the left we have the iPhone 10 Max, on the right we have the iPhone 10, and amazing job. Now let's pause a bit and I will show you the difference. So see the masking and how well the graphics performance is on the XS Max, where my iPhone 10 is even stuttering a bit. And I will speed up the thing again, and layers look pretty good. If you see the color tone layers properly, you will see that the color tone layers look like a little bit different. And I mean, to be very frank, these changes are not noticeable until and unless you run a benchmark test, and that is the whole purpose of me running the benchmark test, so that you guys can see for yourself. And after that, when it does the CPU mapping, the results will be in front of you very soon, and we'll be doing an in-depth analysis why and what the differences are on the iPhone 10 and the iPhone XS Max. After running the CPU 3D physics engine, it's going to run the UX, and it is going to go to this mode which I call it as a browsing test. So what it does is that the software actually runs the browsers and tries to crop in into different images, see how fast they're opening it, cutting it and splicing it. And the last part of this will be QR code reader. It checks how fast the QR code can be read or anything. I think that's really good. But look at this result now. The results are incredible. The XS Max got 34,049.68, while as the 10 Max was only 24,55.41. Now, what is the reason behind it? If you guys do not want to watch anymore, you guys can skip this, give me a big thumbs up, and like this video and subscribe to the channel. But those who guys are staying, let's jump in and look into the CPU. The CPU mathematics score was a whooping more than at 10, and the GPU performance also is way ahead of the 10. The UX performance is way ahead, and the RAM and the RAM score are also way ahead of the iPhone 10. And now we'll go inside and we'll show you what each of the phones have. So the iPhone 10 as you can see is having a A11, while the XS Max actually has a A12 Bionic. And that A12 Bionic chip actually I think gives that ultimate boost, and good job Apple on that new phone and the new upgrade and the new speed. If you scroll down a bit again, you're going to see some major changes in the iPhone 10 and the iPhone XS Max, which you guys didn't notice at all. So when we go down, you will be seeing that apart from having dual GPS, the XS Max actually has got a dual band Wi-Fi, while as the 10 doesn't have a dual band Wi-Fi. And that's also very important, and we'll be seeing that we are using iOS 12. So that's pretty much it from the channel, and the results lie in front of you. I think amazing job on that XS Max.
As expected, it did happen. iPhone XS Max actually made my iPhone 10 look like a small puppy. The XS Max to it extreme. The results were in front of you. I know I got super excited because I was not expecting this huge difference in the XS Max running the same software, iOS 12. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. And if you think that this video was helpful, made you to make a decision that to choose between an iPhone 10, 10s Max, do give me a big thumbs up, like and subscribe to the channel. Why? Because out in this channel, honest opinion will always matter. Thank you.